What up, guys? It's Zilla here. I'm going to be taking over for Mr. Threat today, doing an unboxing for Biker Gear Club, and oh shit, I dropped something.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Threat back in the building, and today we got an unboxing for you, and not just me having an unboxing. My boy Zilla here, new member of the crew. You already know what time it is. Let's go ahead and get into it. We'll take out the other camera and show y'all what is like in the box when you first open it up. Let's get into it. So you're gonna have a paper and then this beautiful wrapping and okay, so there you go. That is how your box comes basically. Could range different stuff. So let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open. That's legitness. Ooh. Bike shed?
Bike shed? Yeah.
Yeah.
Slick little hat right there.
It go over nice with my hair.
Yeah, old snapback.
So then snapbacks and tattoos. Don't copyright claim, that's messed up.
Ooh.
Look fresh.
Clean. Clean. No, you can't see it down with it.
Looks like a brand. Okay. That's legit. I like this hat for real.
Rock it. My taste needs to be bent a little bit more.
That's that old yee.
Yeah.
I like that hat though, for real. That's clean.
Nice hat.
Alright, what we got next? An old hood.
Oh.
A sticker?
Bike shed.
Bike shed. So I guess this is a bike shed theme. Ooh, is it gonna focus? Come on now. Is it focusing?
I'm about to put your hand on it. Oh, there, see?
There we go.
Yeah.
Bike shed. Sticker. New plastics. Oh, you ain't gonna focus on me now? Look at this.
It is.
And a hoodie. Is that it?
So?
3 items, which in the monthly box you can get up to 3 to 6 items. So I mean, that's about right. And this hoodie. Now,
That hoodie looks soft.
it is getting cold out.
Oh, for sure.
It's Bike Shed Motorcycle Club logo hoodie. That's
bike
great.
shed thing.
Yeah. I choked myself. I don't know whether I want to keep that in the video.
Negative.
Oh, that is definitely getting kept in the video. Actually, it's really not that bad. Yeah. Like, they got this size down right. I mean, it's legit.
Feels warm.
I definitely wouldn't ride a motorcycle with it. This would be something just to go out. Alright.
Where you going, Fred? Smoke break. He's going on a smoke break. Okay, well, I'm going to talk to you guys about getting signed up for Biker Gear Club. I literally did it like 5 minutes before this video. Super easy. Super easy. We have a tutorial in the video for y'all to watch and everything. Retarded easy. Just sign up for stuff you like, street, cruiser, adventure guys out there. You know who you are. Just sign up for it. What's that? Code EXPOSED gets you 20% off on your first box. Little plug right there.
Use code EXPOSED!
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Guys, go use code EXPOSED. I'm telling you, it won't last long. I think they told me it's up by the end of the year. Christmas is right around the corner, guys. Go use code EXPOSED. Help me help you help us. Motorcycle community. The newest member of the team. The newest member of the team joined.
Getting there.
He's getting a bike soon. He will be motovlogging with us.
Right. Just
He'll
very
be
much in
blessed.
We'll get there.
So, is there anything else you want to say?
Code EXPOSED.
Code EXPOSED. Go use code EXPOSED. Like, it's not hard at all. I promise you. Alright guys, well, without further ado, you already know what we say. Hashtag don't get exposed from the Exposed crew. We will catch y'all later. Peace.
Doses.
I choked myself.